I'll eventually fly up to the velocity, right? Raise it higher and lift up. Oh! I'm flying! Oh my god! Ah! Guys, did you see that? I was in the air! Alright. Gently push forward. Hold your pitch down for 5 seconds. Okay.
Next time, be a bit more gentle on the controls.
I'm so gentle. Do you guys not see that?
Time to find the airport again. Look around.
Oh, it's this way.
Make a turn in that direction.
Whee. Guys, I thought it'd be funny. Guys! Okay, I got a little impatient. Yeah, Captain Doki here. We at Dokibird Airlines welcome all dragoons and hope you enjoy your safe and pleasant flight. Thank you again for choosing Doki Airlines as your main flight.
Road will take you a mile. A mile of runway will take you anywhere.
All right, there.
Taking off isn't hard, but
Guys,
there are a
guys,
few key
guys,
points to remember.
guys, why is it not turning? Guys, the trees!
Not quite ready to go there yet. Let's get back in position and try this again.
Oh, okay, nice. All right.
Before we enter a runway,
Oh, thank God.
always make sure
Oh, thank God, my co-pilot. Oh, my co-pilot took control. Oh, thank God.
center line and stop your plane just after the number 21.
Oh, where's 21? Wait, 20. Guys, I think I passed 21. But it's okay. I'm in the center now. I'm in the center, though. Guys, I think 21 is like way behind me, not gonna lie. Maybe I could turn around. Maybe the co-pilot would take me back with you. Maybe, ma'am, take me back! Oh, go back in position. Oh, thank God. Oh, okay, never mind. I collided with the armchair. And then, where all these buttons do? Cover? What does cover do? That's what you want to hear your pilot say. What the fuck do all these buttons do? Cabin temperature, cargo temperature, APU starter. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Is everything okay?
Nope.
Whoa. Is everything okay?
Nope.
It's fine. We're fine. What do you mean we're gonna crash? Did I turn off the engine? Oh, did I turn off? Oh, what did I press? Oh, I turned off the engine! Ah! It's fine. We're still in the air. We're still in the air. Guys, how do I turn it back on? I pressed so many buttons. Guys, how do I? What did I press? Is it the battery? Where is the battery? Oh my God, where is it? Oh my God. Guys, our altitude is going down. Guys, our altitude is going down! Oh no! Oh no! Guys, we're okay! We're gonna be okay! We're gonna be okay! Oh no! I can't! It's not! The autopilot won't let me pull up! Oh no! Okay, we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna save the day! Oh my God! Where the fuck is the engine? Closed. Oh no, we're at 2,000 altitude, guys. We're at 2. Close, open. Is that it? Oh, what the fuck? Oh! Oh! Guys, it was... Guys, we hit the ocean! That... Guys! Oh no! Guys, we're gonna land safely! It's gonna be so safe! We're safe. We're so safe. Guys, we're so okay. We are so okay. We're so okay. Guys, the plane is still intact! The plane is still intact! End of flight. Guys, see? Everything is okay.
Bruh.
To automatically reset the aircraft in the air? It's like nothing bad happened.
Scottish Centre Boeing Alpha Sierra.
Hello.
16 miles southeast of Echo Golf, Mike, Quebec 3000. Request
Hello, passengers. Welcome to Doki Flight 69. What you just experienced was incredible turbulence, and it was just a very, very bad dream. So do not worry, we are still in the air, passengers. We hope you enjoy the flight, and we hope you continue to take Doki Airlines. Oh, okay, ready? Watch this. Guys, this is a lot slower than I expected. We're still at 11,000 altitude.
Boeing 747, contact Newcastle. Approach on 124.
Good day to you too, ma'am.
Good day.
Oh.
Going to 124.
Oh, we got pull up, but we did it. Pull up, we're 4,000. Pull up. We're okay. Oh my god. I told you 10. Oh my, I am a fucking prodigy. Passengers, make sure to fasten your seatbelts. We're in really bad turbulence there, but it is okay. We hope you enjoy your flight at Doki Airlines. Thank you. Guys, oh my god, that turbulence was fucking crazy though. Oh hey, is that the landing gear? Oh, okay, we figured it out. We know where the landing gear is. Alright. Guys, there is a chance that this pilot might just land in the ocean. I want to shoot out. The only reason why... Oh wait, is that the eject button? Is this eject? Oh, I can't press it. A lot of these buttons are inoperable, I think. Yeah. I wonder why. Tail hook. Right engine, right battery. Oh! Okay, I need to remember not to do that. The weapons are deactivated? What's the point if I can't even fucking shoot the plane? That's fucking it. I can't believe it. I can't believe there's no point. There's no ammo on this plane. I can't believe it. Can't fucking believe there's no ammo. There we go. Alright guys. I think cruising up here is the way. I can't even eject it. What does the third person look like? What does the third person look like? Okay, external. Oh my god, I look so cool, but I can't shoot in this plane. I can't believe I can't shoot in this plane. Whee! I mean, can I land it at least? How do I land this? How do I land this plane? Another ocean! Oh my god, Jesus, take the wheel again. Jesus, take the wheel! Jesus! Take the wheel, Jesus! Oh! It's okay, everything's fine. But I should like slow down. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. We got me a jet! See? Jesus! We'll be fine! Take the wheel, Jesus! Woo! It's like a bouncy castle. Okay, am I... Okay. There's like no engine now. There's the ocean! There's the ocean! How the fuck do I land this plane? Don't worry. We're gonna land very safe. Yay! Wherever the plane is. There it is, there it is, there it is! Airspeed too low. Co-pilot, you don't fucking get to decide what I do! There we go. Easy. We fucking did it, boys. Look at that. Here we go. Jesus plane did it again. The Jesus plane did it again. What can she not do? There you go. See, everything's fine. Everything's fine now, guys. Look at that. Beautiful scenery too. Very beautiful. That's fun. That was really fun.